So this new Notion importer, it's using their API for progressive downloads. That caught my attention right away.
Right, it sounds like a game changer, but I wonder how it handles large databases. That could get tricky.
Totally, I mean, if it's progressive, it might prevent system overloads. It's like eating a pizza slice by slice instead of cramming the whole thing.
Haha, yes, but what if some data gets lost in the process, like toppings falling off the pizza?
Exactly, there's gotta be a way to ensure data integrity, like a quality check after each slice is served.
But then, is that an added delay? Users want things fast, not sitting around waiting for a quality check.
Good point, it's a balancing act. Fast service without sacrificing quality is tough, but if done right, it could cut down lots of errors.
For sure, and I read it also adds support for databases in bases. That's a pretty big deal.
Wait, really? That could open up new ways for users to interact with their data. I didn't see that coming.
Right? Imagine how that could enhance project management, but it might complicate things for users who prefer simplicity.
Yeah, but isn't flexibility kind of the whole point of Notion, giving users power to tailor their experience?
True, but sometimes too much power can be overwhelming. Have you ever noticed that?
I totally have. It's like walking into a massive hardware store without a plan.
Exactly, and maybe that's where user education plays a role. Guides or tutorials could help smooth out the experience.
Speaking of guides, I wonder if this new importer has built-in help features for troubleshooting.
Good question, that could really set it apart. But if not, users might feel lost.
That's a definite downside. And what about the transition? If they already have a system set up, how painful is it to move?
Oh man, switching systems can be a nightmare. I hope it's not like uprooting a fully grown tree.
Haha, exactly. It needs to feel more like a transplant than a chop.
Right, but if it's too easy, does that mean it's not robust enough? I'm just thinking out loud here.
That's an interesting thought, a delicate balance. Sometimes too fast can mean issues later.
Yeah, it makes you wonder how they'll handle user feedback then. That can drive improvements, especially early on.
Absolutely, if they really listen to users, it could evolve quickly, but they need to avoid typical corporate missteps.
Right, like forgetting about customer needs or dragging their feet on fixes.
Exactly, engagement is key, not just pushing out features without considering real-world usage.
And speaking of engagement, I'm curious how this will affect the user community around Notion.
I wonder that too, maybe it'll encourage more collaborations and shared databases. That could be cool.
Definitely, people love sharing templates and frameworks, so this could boost that vibe.
Right, but there's also the potential for data privacy issues. With collaborative databases, there's risk of exposure.
Oh, that's a huge concern. Users need to be aware of who has access. It shouldn't just be open for all.
Yes, there should be strict permissions, otherwise it can turn into a mess real quick.
Exactly, so in the end it's exciting but complex. Lots to unpack.
Totally agreed, it looks promising, but the execution will be everything. I can't wait to see how it unfolds.
Same here. What a fascinating journey ahead for Notion users. I'm looking forward to getting my hands on it.